Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to change nickname for Wells Fargo accounts. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer various sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the website wellsfargo.com, then sign on with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right corner of the page. Beside it is a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow. A drop-down list will appear. From the drop-down list, you will see an option that says My Profile. Click on My Profile. Under your Profile section, you will see an option that says Nickname Accounts. Click on Nickname Accounts. Next, select the account you wish to change the nickname. Then at the bottom part of the screen, you will see a section that says New Nickname. On the field provided, enter the new nickname you wish to enter. Once the new nickname is entered, scroll down a little. Then, at the lower right corner of the screen, you will see a button that says Create Nickname. Click on Create Nickname. That's how you change nickname for your Wells Fargo accounts. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.